The results to the 47 Rajabala Assembly seat witnessed a close contest between the NPP and the Congress. The results of the by-elections were declared in the afternoon of 2nd November, where NPP candidate Mohammed Abdus Saleh defeated Congress rival HASINA YASMIN MONDAL by a margin of 1,926 votes. After his party's victory, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya and also NPP's National President, Conrad K. Sangma, said that it is the first time for the party to secure more than 11,000 votes as compared to 2013, where only 450 votes were secured by the then NCP, and in 2018, where the NPP secured around 4,800 votes only. Sangma also stated that the fight between the NPP and the Congress party was not a close contest, since it was a clear indication of the great response and mandate of the public on the work that the MDA government has done, where all seats of the by-elections were won by candidates of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance.
If you look at the past history of Rajabala, since the NCP time, we have never won this seat. In the 2013 election, NPP got a mere 450 votes. In 2018, we got 4,800 votes. And this time, we had crossed 11,000 votes. So I don't term it as a close contest at all. It's a very, I should say, great response from the people. It shows the support and the pro-development work that this government is doing. And therefore, it's a clear mandate for the government. If you look at all the 3 seats and the results, in all the 3 seats, the MDA candidates have won. So it's a clear indication towards the work that the MDA government has been doing.